I want to apologize that I've not made a video in a minute. So let's get right to it. I have this terrible cough and a sore throat. So I'll be making the tea with ginger, lemon, and honey. I actually took black honey. It's a Japanese honey made from molasses or whatever. Pure cane molasses. So I've never made it before. I know it works, but I've never made it before. So let's get to curing this cough. See y'all. Y'all better not laugh at my small cutting board. So first thing first, you want to cut the ginger because I am sure that it's a very strong, it smells strong, so I'm sure it's a strong taste too. So I'm just gonna cut like maybe this part off, and then I'm going to further cut this into little pieces. Pieces. Y'all know what I mean. So I'm cutting in little pieces, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to rinse it, but I will just because it looks real nasty. Like, what is this brown stuff? What is that, mud? Like, what is that? What is this? Ew, smells like soap. Okay, well, I'm about to rinse it and then throw it in a pot. So I added some water and turn on the stove. I'm going to bring it to a boil. All right. Oh, this is hot. Okay, it looks yellow, so I think that means it's ready. So just toss it in the microwave, warm it up for like 10 seconds to get the juices really flowing. Okay, still a little kind of hard, so maybe 10 more seconds. I ended up putting it in the microwave for about 25 seconds. So now I'm about to roll it up, get the juices really flowing, because you know we need the juice. Y'all see, even as I cut it, the juice is like flowing out of it. Yes. Oof. Yes. I'm gonna take my lemon and pour it. Look, I'm not even squeezing it, it's pouring. Yes. But now I'm gonna just squeeze it all in here. Seeds and all. I'm gonna pour it out in here, seeds and all. Since I'm feeling a little crazy and I love lemon so much, I'm just gonna drop the rest of it in there. Why not? After I oh Jesus, I scared myself. After I squeezed it, I'm just gonna drop the rest of it in there. Yes. I'm gonna cover it to like, I don't know, marinate or something, just cause, oh, look at that smoke, yes. And then I'm gonna add some sugar. Don't ask me how much, I'm just pouring. Oh man, you know what? I didn't mean to add sugar. I meant to add my honey. Dang it. I must add my honey. Sorry y'all, I meant to add a honey. So now I'm gonna put the honey. I love honey, so screw y'all. I don't care. About to put all of it. Ooh, yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is about to be bomb. I mean, at least it better be. Shoot. It looks bomb. This sore throat don't even know what's coming. Ooh, Jesus. This sore throat don't know what's coming. Okay, let me stop talking because I'm dying here. All right, here it is. I'm about to taste it, and hopefully it tastes good. It kind of reminds me of the Hispanic drink. What is it called? Juice el juicy, or something like that. Y'all know what I mean, with the pineapple and apple and all that stuff in there. But anyways, I'm about to try this. It's a little spicy. Whoa. Oh, ginger, dude. if I like it or not. Okay, yeah, I like it. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Oh, I just came back from work. That's why I got this little ugly striped shirt, and that's why I look so, you know, dead inside. I'm kidding. But yeah, it tastes really good. I think I did a really good job. Good job, Tony girl. Good job, Tony. But yeah, it tastes good, and yeah, hopefully it works for what I need it to work. So thank you guys for watching, and bye. So after drinking like half of it, I take it back. I don't like it. I take it back. First sip was like, okay, nice. But after drinking, like, I thought I was going to throw up. It tasted like straight up ginger. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I didn't put enough lemon. I'm going to put some more lemon because I love lemon. So hopefully that balances it out. And I don't know what it is. It's just, it tastes bad now. And the aftertaste, ugh. And I'm not even done. I'm not even done. I still got something left. Can't do this. Okay. Okay. I coughed and I can, so actually. Anyways, well, bye.